Hello, welcome to SSC Hotspot channel. In this video, we will discuss best books available for SSC CGL preparation in market that you can refer for SSC CGL preparation. As we already know, SSC CGL consists of four subjects, that is mathematics, English, general awareness and reasoning. And it consists of various levels of paper like tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Then we have interview and document verification. All the four subjects coming in the tier 1 exam, but in tier 2 it consists of mathematics and English only. So we are recommending you to focus on English and mathematics more because it is highly scoring and you can getting help because all it consists of 250 marks plus for English also. Okay, so we will discuss about the best books available. The first one is for English. Best books available for English is mm, first Plinth to Paramount by Neetu Singh, published by KD Publication. This is highly recommended book for SSC CGL candidates because it is highly focused on SSC CGL exam. The second book we have Objective General English by Aryan Publication. If you are referring and if you are giving other exams also, other government exam also, it is highly recommended to follow this Aryan book. And if you want to prepare and if you want to build your concepts on English grammar, then you can refer Wren and Martin, High School English Grammar and Composition. We are not recommending you to follow all these three books, but you can choose any one of them as per your requirement. But these are the good books available in market. But you have to supplement Wren and Martin book with any other book because it is more focused on English grammar instead of your exam. So I'm recommending you to follow any book by Neetu Singh or by Aryanth, but you can supplement it with Wren and Martin. Okay, now we can see like weightage of English in SSC CGL. First is tier 1, which consists of English comprehension, that is 50 marks. Then tier 2, paper 2, English language and comprehension, that is 200 marks. Then we have tier 3 if you are choosing as English language, then we have 100 marks descriptive exam paper. Okay, then we have best books for mathematics, and same as English, it is always recommended to prepare maths and English in advance because the weightage same for mathematics is also is 250 marks. Okay, so books available in market is SSC CGL by Kiran Publication, and it consists of previous year paper and all we already know and we are already aware, like SSC has a tendency to repeat previous year questions, so you can refer this book. Then we have, if you want to build your concept on mathematics concept, you can refer Advanced Maths by Rakesh Yadav sir. These two books are very helpful for preparation of mathematics. Then we have best books available in for reasoning. Again, 7300 plus reasoning for SSC by Rakesh Yadav sir. But if you are focusing on other exams also apart from SSC, you have to refer Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agrawal. This is very famous book and it is highly recommendable. Like we are recommending it to use if you are preparing for other than SSC exams. Okay. Then we have General Awareness, and the best books available in market for SSC CGL I'm referring right now is Lucent, because it in SSC CGL we have in General Awareness we have history, polity, geography and current affairs. So you have to prepare for all these topics, and Lucent is the best book to prepare because here you are not preparing for like IAS. So you do not have to refer Lakshmikant or GC Leong. Okay, so Lucent is will suffice your preparation. And for English and for general awareness you have to refer either Hindu or the Indian Express. We are not recommending you to follow both these newspapers, but you have to refer one newspaper, and if you are preparing for English you have to focus on editorial page. Okay, so these are some of the best books available in market, and if you are preparing for SSC CGL or any other exam, you can refer these books for you to to expedite your preparation. That will help you to crack exam in first attempt only. That's all from my side, and thank you for watching and good luck for your exam. Please do subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.